In the ever-evolving landscape of financial technology and outsourced accounting services, Bookkeeper360 has emerged as a prominent solution for small to medium-sized businesses. These businesses often seek reliable partners to manage their financial health, from daily bookkeeping to complex tax strategies. When evaluating such a service, understanding its operational base, including its headquarters, can offer insights into its structure, focus, and overall approach to client service. So, for those wondering, where is Bookkeeper360 headquarters? Let's delve into its location and what that signifies. As an accounting software expert, I can confirm that Bookkeeper360's headquarters are located in Woodbury, New York, United States. Specifically, their address is 100 Crossways Park Drive West Suite 402, Woodbury, New York 11797. This Long Island location serves as the central hub for their operations, even as they cater to a client base spread across the entire United States. Understanding a company's headquarters location goes beyond just a physical address. It provides context for its operational philosophy, talent acquisition, and market focus. The significance of a U.S.-based headquarters. Bookkeeper360 emphasizes that its accounting team is 100% U.S.-based. This is a significant selling point in the market for outsourced accounting services. Many businesses, particularly those handling sensitive financial data, prefer to work with teams located within their own country due to regulatory compliance. Operating within the same country, the U.S., in this case, ensures that the accounting team is inherently familiar with and bound by the complex and ever-changing federal, state, and local tax laws and accounting regulations. This reduces the risk of errors and ensures compliance, which is paramount in financial management. Communication and time zones. While Bookkeeper360 serves clients nationwide, having a U.S.-based team generally means more aligned working hours with most clients. This facilitates real-time communication, whether through calls, video meetings, or chat, during standard business hours. Clear communication is a cornerstone of effective financial partnership. Data security and privacy. For many businesses, keeping financial data within U.S. borders is a critical security and privacy consideration. A U.S.-based operation typically implies adherence to U.S. data protection laws and standards, offering clients an added layer of assurance. Quality of service and accountability. A local presence can often imply a higher level of direct accountability. Clients may feel more comfortable knowing they are working with a team that operates under the same legal and professional frameworks they are accustomed to. Talent pool. Being headquartered in New York allows Bookkeeper360 to tap into a rich talent pool of accounting professionals, CPAs, and financial advisors. This ensures that their team is not only proficient in accounting principles but also well-versed in the specific financial nuances of various industries within the U.S. market. Beyond the headquarters, a technology-driven approach. While the Woodbury, New York headquarters is their base, it's crucial to understand that Bookkeeper360 is not just a traditional accounting firm. They position themselves as a financial technology, fintech, solution. This means they blend expert human accounting services with cutting-edge software and processes. Their services include bookkeeping, daily transaction categorization, account reconciliation and financial statement preparation, profit and loss, balance sheet, cash flow, payroll, support for payroll processing and related compliance, tax compliance, assistance with business and individual tax preparation and filing, as well as tax advisory, CFO advisory services, providing higher-level financial guidance, strategic planning, cash flow analysis, and performance insights, essentially offering a fractional chief financial officer role to small businesses. Proprietary software/dashboard. They leverage their own app and dashboard to provide clients with real-time financial visibility, performance metrics, and a direct communication channel with their dedicated bookkeepers and advisors. This technology-driven approach enhances transparency and accessibility for clients. Integration with leading platforms. Bookkeeper360 works seamlessly with popular cloud accounting software like Xero and QuickBooks Online, and integrates with other essential tools such as Gusto for payroll and Bill.com for accounts payable. This means they can serve clients who are already comfortable with these platforms adding their layer of expertise and management on top. Why does this matter for your business? For a business owner or manager evaluating accounting solutions, understanding Bookkeeper360's headquarters and operational model helps in several ways. Clarity on service delivery. Knowing they are US-based and use a tech-driven approach clarifies how their services are delivered through a combination of human experts and accessible online tools. Trust and reliability. The established physical headquarters in New York, combined with their emphasis on a US-based team, can instill confidence regarding their legitimacy, stability, and adherence to professional standards. Target audience insight. Their location and operational model suggest they are particularly well-suited for US-based small to medium-sized businesses that prioritize convenience, compliance, and a modern, tech-enabled approach to their financial management. Support model. It implies that support and communication will likely be responsive during standard US business hours, aligning with most client needs.